Hey, what's sparking, everyone? We're headed into Animal Kingdom. Let's go have some fun. Okay, we made it in. We're heading into Dinoland USA. It's been a hot minute since we've been here. I know the Smenosaurus is gone. We'll definitely see what else we can see, probably from the Boneyard and as we're walking around. So with Char Char, so we entered in through the gift shop. Here's the gift shop. Whoa, a beautiful necklace. So shiny. Is it Tinkerbell? Yeah. What else you see? Bracelet, Ohana. Another bracelet. Who's on that one? Is that Eeyore? Yeah. Mini neck. Here's the gift shop. And now, headed into Dinoland. Sounds like the recycled drummers, I forget exactly what they're called, is doing their little performance here right at the front of Dinoland. So might stop and listen to them, or might go right in and go right to Dinosaur. Again, super great planning ahead. Didn't really look at the app, don't know how busy it is. Parking lot's not super full. And yeah, it wasn't horrible getting in either, so we'll see. No matter what, we're gonna have a great day. I mean, it's Disney, so let's go have some fun. The Eco-Rhythmics, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Apparently that's their names. And wow, is this view different. They got some excavators, however the song goes. Back there doing work. They've cleared out a lot of the trees. It looks wide open now. They've also updated the construction walls. So let's go look at them. So they have the Casita House, which will be going in right back there. You have what was Chester and Hester's still there. Then down here where the carousel is kind of where the Boneyard is. Then up back at the Aztec Temple is going to be Indiana Jones, which was Dinosaur. And we still have Restaurantosaurus still there. But as you can hear, it's time to go in the ride. Giant T-Rex. That one's called Soup. Watch. Oh. What is it? No, what is it? What letter is it? D. D. I-N-O-S-A-U-R. Dinosaur. Okay. Wait time is currently saying 10 minutes, so do that all day. Definitely seems like it still might be a lighter day in between spring breaks, possibly. So, gonna go ride Dinosaur. Have a great blast on this. I know Charlotte loves it. Hopefully she likes Indiana Jones just as much when it comes around, but while it's here, we're gonna enjoy Dinosaur. Hey, Char Char. What are we gonna do?
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur roar. This. You ready? You ready, Char Char? Yeah.
Okay, now let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Paleotaurus. Hadrosaur. Raptor.
Time to get serious. Locking autopilot on homing signal now. Computer, now.
Carnotaurus.
That's it. Abort mission. Abort! Abort!
Iguanodon.
Get it! Get them out now!
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself! We're not gonna make it! They're never gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would!
So, Char Char, did we make it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you really like this one? Yeah. Okay. What's number 4?
Number 4 is Find Nemo show.
Go to the Finding Nemo show?
Yeah.
Okay. Another successful ride on Dinosaur. Now, a successful walk through the gift shop. You say, hello there.
Hello there.
And then, Nemo maybe? I need to check to see when that, next show is. But, yeah, we'll go from there. So, we missed the next Nemo show. It was basically starting as she said she wanted to go do it. So, instead, we came over. We're going to explore the Boneyard. Maybe if we go over to dig, I'll peek over to see if we can see anything else going on construction-wise over where they're going to be putting up Casita. But until then, we'll go down some slides, have some more fun. We're going down. Right, Char Char. Yep, you can see it's definitely a very active construction site right now. A lot of concrete ripped up, spraying it down right now to keep down the dust. But yeah, completely different, making a lot of good progress. We've got a couple years to get it done. And they're not holding anything back for this one, it looks like. So Char Char did get us over here to the dig site. Just peeked in there real quick. They made a lot of progress on what's going to be Casita over there. A lot of concrete is ripped up. Trees, as we saw a little bit earlier, are basically gone. You're looking straight out into the back of the park there. You know, it's coming along. I mean, this is definitely the biggest addition being added to it. Indiana Jones will all kind of be interior work that gets done. And some exterior there, but that just could be facade work. But yeah, for the most part, chugging right along. I believe they said 27. So another 2 years until it opens up. So we got a while, and we got, you know, another, 9 months to be able to peek in from here, it sounds like, because all of this is going to end up closing in 2026 at some time, so enjoy it while we can. Char had us have a little sit over there on one of the picnic benches, and got to take a chance just to slow down and look. There were a bunch of cool little scribbled in kind of meant to be graffiti marks there, you know, for just little Dinoland references. It's very cool. Got Born to Roar, the rides maybe. There's Yugo bones. Got some dinosaur footprints. Some T-Rex rules. 4 scales. USA 98 when the park opened. Okay. With one last stop planned for today, we're going to head into Pandora, the Mora Valley. and see how long Navi River is. Before we started walking over from Dinoland, it said 45 minutes. Same thing with Flight of Passage, which little tiny adventurer here is still about 2 inches away from being able to go on. But go get on Navi River journey. Last time we did it, the Shaman of Songs was in B mode, so it was just the screen. But we'll see what she is this time and go from there. What do you think, Char Char? You like it? Yeah. Okay. Ready to go do a ride? No? Okay, so want to play in here? Okay. We made it in. Still says 45 minutes. We shall see where we stop in this queue. It's a good ride. Yeah, it's right there. It's right there. Not normally worth the hour-plus waits it gets. Not quite as good and classic as Peter Pan is. It's just basically because, well, it's Animal Kingdom. There's not that many rides, and Flight of Passage gets such a large draw that this just gets a large draw too. But hopefully the animatronic is working. At least the first small hut isn't filled up, but looks like the rest of the queue and the switchbacks are open. So might take a while. Still probably take about 45 minutes, but should be worth it. We're gonna have a good time. Okay, so not all the switchbacks are open. So yeah, hopefully right about a 30-minute wait. We shall see how long it takes. Well, Flight of Passage might have itself its inline bathrooms, but it looks like Navi has gotten an in-ride drink cart. That's a first. Under a half an hour. A little under a half an hour. Now we're in the cave, past the merge point. So it'll just be about 30 minutes to get on.
Welcome travelers. For your safety, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside out. And please supervise your children. Bienvenidos viajeros. Su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados.
So she was working today. Got to see the Shaman of Songs. So now heading back out into the valley. Enjoying our time here in Pandora. Enjoyed our time here in Animal Kingdom. But now we're gonna go home. So to save your ears a bit, didn't tell Charlotte yet. So, but we had a blast. Mike will play the drums. But thanks for coming along with us. And we'll catch y'all next time. As always, folks, remember to be kind and exit through the gift shop.